Hey, Mr. Uche Madugwu don't come out with another one. No, himself don't start to see prophecy. He don't talk say if Davido no marry Chioma after 21 days. Say in fact, the things where the wickedness wey go dey see for this life, it go pass the one where the pastor don't see for them. Now wow, since when this one self start to see vision? And all of us know about this talk of Davido where we say one pastor come outside talk say if you know person where they live with them, say the person go poison them, and that person self na person where they follow and live. So making they careful of the friends when they follow. Now here all this kind matter come outside where this brother self confused say God don't they speak to himself. He can decide say God don't tell him something, and the thing where God tell him now make him marry Chioma. And after 21 days, he even still put date. I don't know when God tell and say, put date, say 21 days. If you no marry this auntie Chioma, say things will go happen. I can't wonder. Now by force to marry. People who don't date, they say they don't tire, they don't want to do again. Now you won't come to buy. As I even see the pictures, if I even think say two of them don't come back, say they won't come do wedding, you know. And then when they happy self say, I like these two couples that make we do can't even chop rice for our wedding before I go see. Now another story. And this Mr. Uche, now actor, even if you win the ask, I never see an itch. From actor to red bra, now you don't turn to prophet. Now wow, Mr. Prophet, this kind of way God show you among all the old pastor waiting for Nigeria, God no see anybody. Now you and God can't tell this kind of story. Anyways, we know say Davido self don't take this thing serious. Say he don't they pray to God, say in they blessed, and God go reveal all the people where they plan wicked things. So me I feel say that one don't they okay. No be by force say person go marry the person when they date. People they even date 50 years. That was too much. 20 years they don't go marry. So no be your matter say because the video can't leave Chioma, abi na Chioma na him leave the video, na him come be your concern. Abi because na be fellow Igbo people, na him make you confuse he supposed marry. No be by force. Marriage no be by force. Leave the video alone. And this kind of man say, why would they even make him dey important? This man no be even celebrity. Now because of say we don't they make him too important, I make himself go come as I can't talk something. Then bloggers go come carry and say himself talk this one. I beg making I leave him for a lane. He not too even they popular like that, but because of saying they always carry people matter for head, they talk and up and down. Now make people come know more. But as this matter be, we know now God really follow this man talk abi himself just one blow. Maybe he just one come talk in mind. Maybe people come follow and say this way this guy they talk if he be true, if he no go meet Chioma, maybe he don't offend Chioma, and if he go beg her, everything go settle back. But noticing that the matter be this one, if say na that kind of matter, the pastor go don't even talk and say, now because of say you do Chioma this thing, now I make. And this whole pastor matter self, the thing they even it stress me. All this pastor, if I won't give prophecy, make na they go straight to the point. Because as this matter be now, Davido no go even know who he want trust again for this kind of matter. You know, say in close friend. This close friend say, at least I beg mention the person name. Make him know who he want they avoid. Because as he be now, he go they use bad eye. They look everybody. People will even like him, people will know like he no go know who he want trust again. Because as the prophecy take come aside, he self go they confused. Unless say the pastor go come call him personally, tell and say, na this so person. But the pastor self no come dey clear. So him just got they watchful. But this whole matter where this one talk, I just feel say he just want use and they popular small again. He just want use and blow. Now he making come as I say, make himself talk this one. Anyway, as the matter be, now here I go end down for now. Anything way I feel, making a write down for the comment section. And making a no come forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel. I go see you on for our next video. Them don't arrest 2 Nigerians where they illegally stay for India. They just arrest these 2 people. This man will be man and woman. But it can't they wonder me. I know how many Indian people there for Nigeria where they never arrest. See now for the abroad, they arrest them these people, and all these people full Nigeria anyhow. They know they pay for anything. Some of them self don't even get passports. But see here now, they don't carry them. These 2 people say they won't deport them. But another story self they talk say these people they don't want to deport them. We say the woman get belly, and now she and her husband and come outside say may they carry them go back Nigeria. So this one I just means have been a strategy as if say she don't want pay flights money, she don't want pay transport money to come back Nigeria. She don't see them as a free way to come back Nigeria. But as this matter, if no be say something even day, what the person they find go do for India? If no be say na school you they go, because I know say the only thing where India people good for now ICT, maybe computer things and the rest. When it comes to rape, in fact, na their case now was passed. any bad things Indian people, especially rape and all this, like make they beat people, na dem sabi do am pass. So wetin dem these people sef dey even find go there? If say Nigeria good, shebi dem go stay for Nigeria, but as e be, whether they go deport them or abi they go leave them there, if they get their money they go come back by themselves. Na dem sabi. I no know as e wan take, but the country sef dey messed up. Her clothes don even talk everything. Her clothes dey write wetin? Hotter than hell. Bia na Nigeria dey hotter than hell o, abi na India dey hotter than hell. We no know which one she dey refer to. But as Naija tire her, everybody dey japa, and all of us know say 40% of people wey even dey abroad, most of them dey go there illegally. Some people go use ship take go. Some people say the way they go even take go, if you go, so they go hide inside aeroplane. That smoke, they will go hide there, say because of say they won't leave Naija. Naija don't tire everybody. Now make everybody say they find way we say they won't take wrong come out. This thing, it just tire even me like this. If I see where I go pass, I don't know where I go gather money for me, make myself I use. They fly out of the country, but I know they go India because India, I'm not sure. I'm not sure say I want that kind of land. Their winning ways. It's too much for me. But as it be, if you go there where you know say they go there on an illegal way, at least stay inside house. People they there. Some people they even do some documents so we say they go feel even stay. Now, this whole matter now, they won't come return, you come back. You go come return, now your family go look say, you don't go there, go make money, go. Not knowing say, they'll pursue you, they'll fling you, come back Nigeria. As it be, people making a comment, making a right, because I know say in myself, and I get some friends where they are abroad, they claim say that they are abroad, that they enjoy, but now suffer. Now they go suffer. Making a don't forget to come like, share, and subscribe to this channel. I go see you now for our next video.